Hey GlamDollz, I'm back again with another skincare video, and today I'll be using the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask and the L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser. Now the mask draws out the toxins, and the cleanser here helps get rid of yucky impurities, and together it's promising some amazing things, which we're going to see. But first, I want to quickly share with you my LA Colors Eye Compulsion palettes that I picked up for only $10 from my local Walgreens. And I'm going to show them to you real quickly. Now keep in mind, I'm going to have to turn it downward because if I go up, you're going to have a glare that looks like this, okay? So anyhow, these three palettes are warm, cool, and neutral tones for only $10 in Walgreens. I got a video coming all about it, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to have a sip of my liquid happiness, which is my coffee. I'm going to have a sip of that because it's very early in the morning while I'm doing this video. And we're just going to now jump right on into it. So first thing up will be the mask. I'm going to start applying this mask. Now, when it comes to this Pure Clay Mask, it is infused with eucalyptus to help purify my skin. And it says it's going to give me a spa-like experience while penetrating deep into my pores to draw out those nasty toxins and to give me a more refreshed complexion. So I'm going to apply this in an upward motion. You know, gravity weighs things down. So I'm going to go in an upward motion, and I'm going to apply this mask using my fingertips. Now you got to work very quickly because as you apply this, it honestly starts to dry down and it tightens against your skin. Set my timer for about let's say, what's that, 15 minutes? And I'm gonna wait, but wait, ooh, sorry, don't want to scare you. Here's what it's looking like up close. See how it's drawing into my pores? You can kind of see my pores a little bit, and you know, my skin. So it's super tight. So I'm gonna let this sit and let's see what happens. 15 minutes later, my skin feels like it's super tight. It's just super tight. I kid you not. It kind of looks like the concrete that be wet on the ground when it's drying. Yeah, but my skin is really tight. So I have a bowl of steeping hot water and a fresh, you know, clean towel. And here's what it's looking like when it's dry. I want to show you that real quickly first. This is what it's looking like completely dry. You see how it looks like the sidewalk, like how it's, I know it's hard to explain, but it is insanely tight on my skin. Yeah, I had to move my face around to kind of loosen this baby up because it is, yeah, it's on there. So anyhow, I'm now going to take the bowl of steeping hot water, take the towel, and I'm going to put it against my face for a moment because that feels so lovely. Oh, that feels so lovely, the warmth against my face. And then I'm going to begin, you know, rubbing this off. But I quickly notice this ain't coming off. Yeah, I'm really trying to pull this thing off, wash this off. But I'm going to have to take this to the bathroom and I'll be right back. Whew, girl, let me tell you. Yeah, you can't sit down and do this. So I wash most of it off, and I'm going to take the remaining bits that's on my face with the towel. I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off. And then I'm going to quickly move into using the mask. Now, I got to admit, my skin feels extremely tighter. I mean, not tighter, but my skin feels extremely plumped, okay? My pores are smaller, they less visible, and I feel, you know, I look very refreshed, and my skin feels more healthier. Here is the Pure Clay Cleanser. And when it comes to the Pure Clay Cleanser, you know, this here promises to remove, you know, the everyday impurities like dirt, oil, and pollution. This also deep cleans your skin and your pores without over drying it, okay? And because I have oily skin, this is going to help to reduce my oily skin shine. Now, that's only for the portion of oily skin. If you don't have oily skin, you know, you don't have to worry about your shine. But it's just as amazing for combination skin as well. So I set the timer for about 1 minute. You don't have to do that. I decided to do that because remember, this is just a cleanser. And same bowl of steeping hot water. I'm going to take my little facial scrubbing pad right here, which I purchased from Dollar Tree. Immerse it in the water. And here's where I begin exfoliating my face. Now, it looks like I'm being a bit abrasive, but honestly, I'm not. That's just me fast forwarding the video. But I'm making sure to get underneath my chin area going down, you know, towards my neck, because I do tend to drag my makeup down there when applying my foundation. And I'm making sure to get into all the crevices. And once I've done that, I'm going to go back into the steeping bowl of hot water with the face towel and first rest it against my face, because like I said, that feels so good when I do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue to wipe all this off. And as I'm wiping this off, I must admit, dolls, my skin is screaming thank you. Okay, these two products together did work amazingly. I am a huge fan of L'Oreal skincare, period. Okay, I stand by their brand. It never fails, and I feel refreshed. My pores are smaller, and I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving it. Oh, my skin feels so soft and supple and just more healthy in general. So I was using the e.l.f. Cosmetics oil controlling lotion, but I've since switched over to the Age Perfect line, which is again by L'Oreal. Since I am approaching half of 100 soon, yeah, I said that, I'll be half of 100 soon. I've really gotten into using anti-aging products, and this right here is amazing. It's super lightweight, and just a tiny bit of this is definitely going to go a long way. It's moisturizing my skin, and I'm applying it in an upward motion, you know, due to gravity and how gravity likes to weigh things down. And it's like I said, it's very lightweight and extremely moisturizing, and it's not overwhelming against my skin. So on that note, dolls, this is concluding the video. I am just in love with my skin lately. Look at this. Look at the elasticity. Oh, yeah, I couldn't be more happier. I'm loving it. Okay, for real. I'm loving these products, but this did conclude the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything is down in the description box below, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Look at my skin.